What are you doing? You ate all your cake, mister. You ate all your cake, mister. There's nothing more left for you. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You want a treat? You want a treat? Do you want a treat? Do you want to give you a treat? Yeah? You want more? You want more of a treat? I'm not giving you more. You already had a piece of cake. And it was yummy, right? It was yummy. I can't give you any more. I can't give you more treats.
Okay.
I'm okay, but you have a quota. You have a very, very small piece that I can give you. No, I can't give you more treats. No, I can't because it's not good for you. I can only give you a very, very small piece. Okay? Little birdies cannot be eating cake. You have your plate of fruits and vegetables. You've got apples and you've got orange peppers. That's what you need to be eating, not cake. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Come here. I know what you're trying to do. Come on, go eat your apple. Go eat that fruit. Yeah, no attitude. Go and eat the good stuff that's over there. Come on. Come on, mister. Go eat it. Come on. Come on. Come on, mister. Come on. Come on, Milo. Be a good boy. No, come on, mister. Let's go. You're a baby, aren't you? You're a baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, Milo. All right. See you later, alligator. See you later. Time for you to play now. Bye. Say bye. You want a treat? No? No, I cannot give you a treat. Say bye. See you later, mister. See you later, alligator. What's Grandma doing?